Easiest 35 grams of protein meal. Kailangan mo ng 2 slices ng Gardenia whole wheat, 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, and 1 serving of whey protein. So this is Rhino Nutrition, 25 grams of protein with vitamin C, L-carnitine, and green tea. Good for nagbabody recomposition or nagka-calorie deficit. Pwede rin naman sa nagbabulking, okay? Green tea and L-carnitine for additional fat burning. Para kahit naka-calorie deficit tayo, hindi tayo mag-e-energy crash. So this is the 35 grams of protein, 300 plus calorie meal. Or i-post ko na lang yung nutrition facts dito. This is the most underrated meal combination dito sa Pinas. Ito na yung pinakamadali at pinaka-convenient gawin. Bakit? Kompleto protein, may healthy fats, may carbs, and may fiber, which is essential for our muscle growth or fat loss. So kung gusto mag-start ng fitness journey without pressure and without stress, follow me and like this video. So yun lang, good luck in progressing sa atin lahat.